Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our September new products video. Our first new product is the instrument cluster lens. This fits the 92 to 96 Bronco, the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. Made it just like original. Super nice product. There's no waves on it. The ones you see on eBay has got a bunch of waves. This has no waves in it or distortions. Super clear. Again, instrument cluster lens for the 92 to 96 Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And our next new product is this motor bracket. This is for the 65 to 76 F-Series pickup. This is for the FE motor. The FE motor is a 360, 390, 2 or 4-wheel drive, which works. What this bracket does, if we're looking at from the back side, these are the bell housing bolts. This bolts to the bell housing here, then the bell crank or equalizer bar goes across from there to the frame bracket. When you push on your clutch, it helps pivot it. Again, replacement motor bracket for the FE motor, 360, 390 for the 65 to 76 Ford pickup. And our next new products from Carpenter Industries is this replacement gear indicator. This fits the 80 to 86 Bronco and Ford F-Series pickup with a C5 or C6 transmission. Basically, this is on the bottom of the instrument cluster. You take the 2 screws out, put it in place. This bolts to your steering column, and this goes around the gear shifter. There's a little lever on there, so when you select your gear, this pulls this down, and it moves, puts it in and out of gear. It tells you what gear you're in. So this is for the 80 to 86 Bronco and F-Series pickup gear indicator assembly. And our next new products from here at the Bronco Graveyard, it's this 92 to 96 Ford Bronco. This is the top trim bracket kit. Comes in 10 pieces. It gives you the 2 pieces that go on the angle down. So when you put your top back on, you put this bracket in place, mount the mounting screw right through there. So that when you put the trim on, there's little Christmas tree clips. You push them right through there, because you're both drivers and passenger there. Then along the quarter rails, when you bolt the top down, screw right through here, bracket sitting there, put the trim on it, Christmas tree clip, and away you go. Again, 92 to 96 top trim bracket kit. It's a 10-piece kit sold here at the Bronco Graveyard. And for our September web truck of the month, we had Dave DeHammer's beautiful early Bronco with a true Boss 351 engine in it. I just want to thank everybody who came to the Bronco show on the west side. We had almost 450 trucks there. And the next day we met on the sand dunes. We had almost 250 Broncos. It's a great time. I look forward to seeing everybody again next year there. I just want to thank everybody for their support and hope to see you again next month.
Everything's new. The chassis is a Kinzer chassis out of Louisville, Tennessee. It's got a brand new Dennis Carpenter body. It's got an original 1971 Boss 351 engine, built stock, solid lifter, 11.5 to 1 compression. It's got a Ford 9-inch front axle too, 6-piston Wellwoods, Atlas transfer case, Tremec 5-speed, custom interior, custom drivetrain by D&H Drivetrain right here off Chicago Drive. Custom radiator, good for 1,000 horsepower. Let's see what else I did to. Oh, it has a electric e-brake. So in order to get a full cage in it, I couldn't use a stock emergency brake, so I put an electric e-brake on it.
Okay. That's different.
411 gears, traction lock. The most difficult was probably getting the linkage. If you look at, well, you can't really see it, but the bell crank there for the throttle linkage, I had to shorten that, I thought, 1 inch to get it to go full throttle on the Boss motor. And so I cut it, sandblasted it, welded it, primed it, painted it, put it all together, and I was 1/4 inch still too long. So I'd take it all back off, recut it, re-sandblast it, re-weld it.
Yeah.
But it's that kind of stuff that just takes, I mean, that was an 8-hour day. I wanted functioning ram air because Bosses were functioning ram air. Yeah. And with a Boss only came in a Mustang, and you could only get a top loader 4-speed. So I wanted to keep it old school. No serpentine belts, got V belts. Yeah, I tried to keep it old school. Windows look like crank windows, but they're electric. I didn't want the big trim that normally comes, so I had a guy hand paint the pinstripe. And the pinstripe matches the calipers, they're red. And Ford on the front, I went with the red letters on the front to keep.
What's the color?
The color is a 2007 competition orange. It's a Mustang color. But
So you kept it in the Ford family.
Kept it in the Ford family. I think Broncos look better in light colors. I mean,
Personal preference, but yeah.
it's personal preference.